So today I'm gonna show you how to make some soulful beats, just like Kanye on your phone. All right. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and install an app called BandLab. All right. You're gonna open BandLab up. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna create a project. This is a project I already created. Gotta wait for it to load. All right. Then the next thing you gotta do, you gotta find yourself some drums. I found myself some drums that I liked. There's a way to save it. If you press on this little arrow up there by the sampler 2, and these are what my drums sound like. So yeah, just like that, you want to go ahead and make yourself a little pattern. All right. All right, yeah, a little simple pattern like that. And then what you want to do before you do any of that, you want to adjust the BPM anywhere from like 75 to around like 85 for Kanye type of beats. But yeah. And then what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. All right. And then you got to exit out of there, and you just got to look up let's see. Okay, so it's not there, but pretty much you got to look up Soulful samples, no drums. All right. So you go there, and then there's some nerd made all this crap for you, and you just click on it. And then I use the first one that popped up, and then you screen record that. And then what you do is you go into the sampler, you press on a little pencil, and then you press import audio or video. And then from there, you can go ahead and chop it up and do whatever you want. Here's what it sounds like, what I did with my sample. So that's what it sounds like. All right. I don't even know what this is. I think it's bass or something, but like, because it's kind of quiet on the screen recorder. But so pretty much that's how you make soulful beats, like in a nutshell, on your phone and shit. This is the full product, what it sounds like. Oh yeah, the blue, that's the symbol. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, my bad. I forgot what that was. But so that's pretty much in a nutshell how you make beats just like Mr. Kanye himself. And yeah, that's probably about it for the video. So yeah, let me just go back to my screen recording app. All right, and then yeah, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, and peace out.